Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Joshua Alano, and in this video, I'll walk you through the process of containerizing a Node.js application and probably deploying it using Docker and DockerHub. Yeah, so Docker Hub is like your GitHub, and then Docker is like the Git. So Docker is the command you write, and then Docker Hub is where you push it to. Same thing with Git and GitHub. Yeah. So in this video, whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, Docker can help you streamline your development process and ensure consistency across development, different environments. So the concept is very simple actually. You also learn how to create like a Docker file, build your Docker image, and push it to Docker Hub for easy sharing and deployment. So as I said, it's for easy sharing. So imagine you are working with a team of 5, and then you are the backend engineer, right? So you write your code, and then after writing your code, you push it to Docker, and then the other guys. So it works better when you guys are working remotely. So once you push it to the Docker Hub, you tell your teammate, hey guys, hey friend, I've pushed any change to Docker Hub, and then this guy will just go there and run git pull and then run the application, right? Yeah, so that is what we'll be looking at today. And without further ado, let's get started. So this is my Docker Hub account. Let me just sign in. Let me sign in. Saying continue this. Let me see if I'm gonna continue with GitHub. Let me sign and continue with GitHub. I think I have an account. All right, so there you go. All right, so there you go. So this is like your Docker Hub dashboard. Create accounts, and you also see this. Yeah. So, but the essence of this video is so we can build this Node.js application and deploy it to Docker Hub. So the first thing we do here is to create a new a Docker file, and then write a simple configuration in it, right? If this is Python, probably I'll make a video on how to build a Python image and push Docker, but this is Node.js, and the Node.js I'm using is I'm getting it from Node 14, using Node 14 here, and then my work directory is URL source and then app, and then after doing that, I want you to copy all package, not package, but all package and everything that ends with JSON into the current directory. And then I want you to run npm install. Then I want you to copy whatever it is into a new source. And the last one is, so my this server is running on port 5000. So I want it to expose port 5000 and cmd node and index.js, app.js. So here, this is what I'm trying to write, app.js. That is all. That's all we need to do. If there's any error, it's going to tell us, and we'll get back to you. So for this thing to run, I will need to start like my Docker engine. So I have a Docker desktop here. You can also start here. If you're using Linux, there's a way you can start a Docker daemon using the command line. So let's just wait for this thing to open up. That's it, has opened up already. So without this, I can't run Docker command because I'm signed in here. You can see I'm signed in here. Starting the Docker engine. So let's just wait for it to start. But let me also open my terminals because that's where I'll be writing the Docker command. Oh, sorry, I forgot to save. So I forgot to save this file. Control Shift Practice. Trying to open up the terminal. So let me see. All right, so it started already. So this is my terminal, and I will need, as I said earlier, Docker is like a Git, and then DockerHub is like a GitHub, right? So it's pretty basic. What I'm doing, I'm just trying to build this app, create a tag for it, and then push it to DockerHub. Very simple. So to do that, I just from Docker build, then that's T for tag. Then you will need your your username. So this is my username. You can just copy it. You should put your username there as well. Paste it here, and then the name of your app. You could say test underscore node, right? Test underscore node, and in which directory? In this directory, because it's going to look for the Docker file and run it. So let me click on enter. So it's building, it's building, it's building. It said fail to solve, fail to read Docker file. Open not search for directory Docker file. Oh, sorry. I was in the wrong. I was in the wrong directory. Let me change that to server. Because that's where my Docker file is. Yeah, this is where my Docker file is. So let me run that command again. All right. So it says, fail to solve Docker file pass error in line instruction cmd Node.js. Okay. So let's try index. Oh, I think there's an error here. I didn't. All right. So there's this error here, guys. There should be like a space between this guy. So let me return this guy to app.js and let me run it. You should find it now. All right, so there we go. It's building it, it's building it. When exactly, so you can see it's just running the same command, but without the Docker file, you won't be able to build the image. So here there are 5 layers. So it's currently building. Let's wait for it to build. When it's done building, to let us know. All right, so it's done building. Say what next? View some of images. I think you can do Docker images to show you the list of images that I have here. All right, so these are the images I have here. I have Mongo. I have, so this is the new one here, right? This is the new one we just built. So I could just of course copy this way because I will need it. I'll need it. All right, so now we need to create a tag for it. Docker tag, and then what I copied just now, like your Docker Hub username, and then the name of the image that you just built. And if you like, you can add latest to it, but it does not really matter. But let's just add latest to it. And we also need to paste that back and then add the version. Right, so you can say 1.0, something like this, and hit enter. So it's done. We've created a tag for it. So the tag basically is something like this. Let me go back to Docker Hub. So if I open up this guy, this recent image I pushed here. So these are tags, right? Tags are like changes. Exactly. So this is the latest tag. Sorry. This one I just named the latest. Exactly. I just named it latest. So I could name it anything actually. I could name it anything too. Yeah. So it's done. I've created a tag for it. Now it's time for us to push it to Docker Hub. Just run Docker push, and then your the Docker Hub username, and then the name of the image, and of course what the version 1.0, right? And you enter. So the push refers to exactly. So it's preparing. Pretty simple, right? Wanted to take some time. All right, so it has pushed it to um what is it called, DockerHub. You could run it by running Docker run, then the image name and the tag probably. So let's go back to DockerHub and refresh. We're able to build. We learn about DockerHub and Docker, and there are three commands. There are a lot of commands in Docker. So probably I will make a full video on Docker in DockerHub. But the essence of this video was to build like a Node.js image and then push to DockerHub. So in this video, you learn how to build a Node.js image and then push it to DockerHub for your team members to use. Yeah, so if you like this video, subscribe and also share with your friends. Till then, bye bye.